No, I saw fireworks. You just missed them.
Oh, it's like the fireworks.
Yeah, Epcot's still doing
Okay, the finales aren't until out.
There it goes. That's the finale. Oh, yep, it's over because the light, it just lit up. That's it. See? They all like shoot out at once, all the different worlds. There, right there, that. Yeah. It's so cool. I love that.
I mean, it's definitely better than the show.
Oh, they did it again. They did it again.
They're still trying to do that whole like projectile water spray. Yeah.
It hits at Fantasmic. That's basically all water.
Yeah. But what I'm saying is they keep trying to do it and their parts doesn't work. Like,
Yeah.
Kingdom, that was so bad.
Well, no, that was like they had little floaties that would shoot water. I don't like that. Yeah, but they have like 6 shows, and you have to stay there for all of them, and they don't play all of them at the same time.
Well, they can fix that, but what I'm saying is
Like it's random. It's all randomized.
it's better than that. And then they tried to do that kite show for a little bit. That was a disaster. That was really bad.
Oh, there it is again. I love that. That's cool because they're all shoes with the center of the water. There we go. This is the ending right here. Okay, it sounded a lot like when you're there. It looked a lot longer than it did right